5G technology was already being deployed in various parts of the world. Developments in technology may have occurred since then. Here's a general overview of 5G technology. 1. Definition. 5G stands for the fifth generation of wireless technology. It is the successor to 4G, LTE, and is designed to provide faster and more reliable communication for mobile devices and other connected devices. 2. Key features. Higher speeds. 5G promises significantly faster data speeds compared to its predecessors. This enables quicker downloads and smoother streaming experiences. Low latency. 5G aims to reduce latency, the time it takes for data to travel between devices. This is crucial for applications that require real-time communication, such as online gaming and autonomous vehicles. Increased capacity. 5G is designed to handle a higher number of connected devices simultaneously, which is important for the growing number of IoT, Internet of Things, devices. 3. Frequency bands. 5G utilizes a range of frequency bands, including low, mid, and high bands. The high-frequency bands, millimeter waves, offer high data speeds but have shorter ranges and may be more affected by obstacles like buildings. 4. Deployment challenges. The deployment of 5G networks involves significant infrastructure upgrades. This includes the installation of new antennas and equipment. There are also challenges related to spectrum allocation and regulatory considerations. 5. Applications. 5G is expected to enable a wide range of applications, including augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, smart cities, autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and more. 6. Rollout status. Several countries and telecom companies had already started rolling out 5G networks. However, the availability of 5G services varied globally, and in some regions, it was still in the early stages of deployment. 7. Concerns. There have been discussions about potential health concerns related to the increased number of antennas and the use of higher frequency bands. Regulatory bodies and health organizations continue to assess these concerns.